Hi guys, welcome to week 6. Can you believe it? We have 10 weeks to go from this week. That's amazing. I'm just wanting to tell you that I'm so proud of so many of you doing such a great job every single week. You've been so patient with the grade book being all kinds of messed up. Everything should be caught up. If you still aren't seeing things, please just let me know, and I'm gonna keep working on refreshing it so that you can see your stuff. But really, you should be proud of yourselves. I am. This week we're in critical thinking, which is one of my favorite topics. It's one of the three tenets that our course is based on. If you look on page 4 of the syllabus, it's part of the mission statement. So it's a big deal. And employers want to know that we're producing strong critical thinkers, and I think that your discussion for this week should be fun, have fun with it, and be creative. That's the way you're going to get the most out of anything, right? Let's see, what else? Oh, your midterms. A lot of you have already contacted me with questions about the midterm. I want you to do what is manageable for you. I know that you're taking online courses for a variety of reasons, and if transportation is an issue or just location from where you live is an issue, then do something nearby or do something online, and you're going to be fine. If you choose to work with the food bank here on campus, the Empowerment Center, the way you show 2 hours worth of time is by showing the effort that you put into the project and the pictures and the slides that you put together for the finished product. You could go around to your neighbors and ask for food donations. You could do a school supply drive from neighbors, and be creative. Or if you can't do that because money is an issue and you're someone who needs to go shopping at the Food Empowerment Center, then come do that and choose something else that you are able to do. What is something that you could help with just in your neighborhood or in your apartment complex or whatever, where you worship? Those are all options for you. Lots of people go to animal shelters and donate old blankets and stuff. There's all kinds of places that you can donate your time. Again, it's just 2 hours worth of time, and it has to be unpaid, but that's it. Lastly, the path to success. No, 2 more things. Just kidding. The path to success paper. You are going to do the rough draft, and you can go to the writing center or send it to the writing center at any time. You're going to upload the comments that the writing center gives you that are the suggestions on how to edit your paper, and then I'm going to look and see what you started with for your rough draft, the comments that the writing center gives you, and then your finished product with the final copy. That way I know what helped you and what didn't. And again, the writing center, while they're experts, it's not you, and I want you to use the comments for just what they are. They're just suggestions. So don't think that if something doesn't fit your type of message that you're trying to convey that they suggested, then don't do it. It's okay. It's your paper. Now, lastly, advising. Do your advising appointment. If you can't contact your advisor for whatever reason, I need to know. Okay, that's a huge chunk of points that you cannot miss out on. If you missed a minor assignment like one of the mini essays, that's not going to kill your grade. But not doing the advising is just not an option for you. It's going to hurt your grade too bad. Okay, so I need you to get in touch with me if you have any issues with that. Deal? All right. Again, I love it when y'all stop by. It's really fun a chance to stop by when you're on campus sometime, please look me up. I'm in class of 325M. And if I'm not teaching one of my 4 face-to-face classes, I should be here. But anyway, I hope that you're doing okay and that you have a good week. And can you believe it's the 1st of October tomorrow? That's just incredible to me. All right, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.